and today we're playing Faction. So yeah, don't forget something to X. Oh, actually guys, we're in survival crafting and I and we're in the server survival crafting and we're at oh or arena. So that's why I have a lot of gear and laggy. A lot of gear and some diamonds because there's a lot of diamonds like diamond block and the gold of block and anything. So yeah. So basically I'm going to show you my faction base, our faction base. If you do /home base, and that's my faction base. Lucky. So what the is that? Let me see if the this. Oh, so that's why. And where did I hit the diamond blocks? Forgot. Oh, I think here. I'm right. So let's basically put it there, and I'm gonna smelt this more. Wow, we have a lot of stuff. Put it there and graph. Maybe I'm lagging because of the water or the sound thing. Oh, we're still lagging. Oh, we're not lagging anymore. So yeah, gonna do kick/feed. So I already tell you. I think I already tell you that the you can buy permissions like Game Mode Creative. So let's get to work. What more? Let's wait 3 seconds. So let's continue mining. So basically what I have in my pick is Unbreaking 3, Fortune 2, and Efficiency 3. Yeah. So what basically I'm trying to do this episode is I'm going to fill all the I'll have 9 stack of diamonds, and I'll put the 1 diamond over there, and yeah, let's continue. Oh, that's a bridge. Arene/fly. Oh, so basically my name is Cooper over here, and I bought the permission. What's it called? Nickname. Yeah, it's nickname. Super pickaxe activated. What the? Yeah, just waste my time. No, just didn't. So we have 2 stack of diamond and 23 diamonds. So let's continue mining. So basically, my faction name is King Squad. I'm not in Beacon Craft, which I called the OP server, semi OP server, and Bangan is busy. That's why I'm not Skyping with him today. Let's take all the diamonds. And actually, guys, this is like a oh shoot, MMA. Gonna message him that. So yeah, I'm busy. He said, "Oh, I'm so very unlucky." So MMA Durafi is calling me. Actually, he's on YouTube on the server, and they what forgot what's it called. They updated the server spawn, so he gonna to pay to me, and let's. Oh, I thought I will fly. I'm flying. Oh, my inventory. Oh, oh, I think he had a raid. So let's sell hunt. So let's continue. Oh man, I'm drowning. Oh, I forgot I have just fly. So let's go back. Oh, let's do /F back. Alright, warp. So let's continue mining. So let's, and maybe Durafi is recording. So he's gonna record too. Oh, where's my diamond? There he is. Oh man. Let's continue mining. And maybe Durafi is recording too. I don't know why a lot of people asking to teleport to me. I don't know why. I know I have /fly so that I can fly away. Not again. So I think I'm gonna enchant this helmet that I have, or boots. I'm gonna think. They're basically the same, but I'm gonna enchant the boots first because his durability is still good, and my helmet is half, like not half, like only one piece broken. So yeah. So let's do a /spawn. Then let's enchant our stuff, our diamond bits. So we're gonna go. Actually, this is a 1.7 server. So if you like to join this server, the IP will be in the description below. Alright, I'm gonna answer the call of MMA Durham. Hey, I'm still recording. So we got Unbreaking 3 and Plot 4. And let's continue. Come on. Oh, what? That freaking told me. Oh, that is cat. Like shout to my ears. That was his cat, lol. So let's basically continue mining. Yes, I tell you, Bangan's still busy with his family, I think. Or he's just like he call again.
Hello?
Hello? Still recording.
Oh. Okay.
You said you were...
Did you heard that my cat?
Yeah.
Is it loud?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay.
Okay. You start recording?
Not yet. You want me to stop recording?
No, not now.
Okay.
What are we gonna do then?
Show them our record of our base. Nah, just kidding.
No, don't. Oh.
So if you wanna visit MMA Bidrafi channel, the link is gonna be in the description below.
Oh. Yeah, subscribe to me. I'm the best player ever. but nobody knows. That's the problem.
Yeah, let's do Selhan.
I'm kind of right now, but I've go far away from spawn and I didn't find any base. Are you still recording?
Yeah. You want me to stop? Alright, I'm gonna do the outro. Because you keep always asking. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my video and MMA video Rafi MC. So, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!